Body scan meditation is a type of mindfulness meditation that involves bringing awareness to different parts of the body, one at a time. The practice involves lying down or sitting comfortably and focusing on each part of the body, starting from the toes and moving up to the head. To practice body scan meditation, follow these steps. 1. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you can lie down or sit comfortably. 2. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to relax your body and mind. 3. Begin by focusing on your toes. Bring your awareness to the sensations in your toes, noticing any tension or discomfort. 4. Slowly move your awareness up your body, focusing on each part of the body in turn. Spend a few moments on each part of the body, noticing any sensations, tension, or discomfort. 5. If you notice any tension or discomfort, try to breathe into that area and release the tension with each exhale. 6. When you reach the top of your head, take a few deep breaths and notice how your body feels as a whole. 7. Take a few more deep breaths and slowly open your eyes. Body scan meditation is healthy for several reasons. 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. By bringing awareness to different parts of the body scan meditation can help to release tension and reduce stress and anxiety. 2. Increases body awareness. Body scan meditation can help you become more aware of your body and its sensations, which can help you identify areas of tension or discomfort and take steps to address them. 3. Improves sleep. Body scan meditation can be a helpful tool for improving sleep quality by promoting relaxation and reducing stress. 4. Enhances mindfulness. Body scan meditation is a form of mindfulness meditation, which can help to improve overall mindfulness and present moment awareness. Overall, body scan meditation is a simple yet effective way to promote relaxation, reduce stress and anxiety, and improve overall well-being.